So this is about me, and I am associated or have been associated with this institute for the last 16, 17 years in the United States. So here I'd be talking about data analyst, data engineer, and data scientist. So data analyst, basically what they does, the data analyst's role is to analyze numeric data and uses to help companies make better decisions. That's the role, primary role among all different roles they take up in their job, but this is the primary role. The data engineer also involves in preparing data. They develop, constructs, test, and maintain complete architecture. So the analyst and data engineer, there is a slight difference in that, but all work with the data. And the role of the data scientist is they analyze those data, interpret this complex data, and they're also called data wranglers who organize big data. So this is basically about 3 different types of roles, which when we say as a data guy, we mean these are our data people who we look for in the industry. Now, why should you become a data scientist? If the research says by 2026, the world will be needing around 11.5 million data scientists. And this is like, there is a huge requirement for the people who are, or the students who are very much into the mathematics, and they are keen on taking up data as data science as their profession. So there is a huge demand for this coming up in the coming 5 to 10 years. And it's an age of an artificial intelligence. So you know that mostly these artificial intelligence deployments is helping the industry to grow by 58% worldwide. And if you talk about the salary, then the salary is like they have more, at least 20% more than what the other industries, or maybe more, like 30 to 40% more than what the other roles in different other segments you are getting, the people are getting. So it's a big factor. And then there is a fun to work with the data. It's always, because we need data in everyday life. So that's one important thing, because just not about work we do. We need to have fun. We need to have the interest. What are we working for, and what kind of things we are delivering to the industry, to the organization. So it has to be fun element associated with that. So that's one thing. Then things that matter. Data scientist keeps us healthy and safe. All from the comfort of their desk, they are called modern heroes. They make the world easier. Artificial intelligence is the key. You guys must be knowing, you guys must be looking at different things, hearing about artificial intelligence, learning about it, researching about it, but these are the key people who will be coming up with different design systems in the coming 5 to 10 years. This is also a part of a deep learning machine learning. So that's where we are heading towards. The data is becoming interesting. The data we get is very interesting. I will come in my later slides. So these are the things why I should become a data scientist.